Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to show you how I clean my living room. So let's get into the video. So I start putting away his toys. I have a toy chest that I made from a local fundi, and that's where we store them in the sitting room. I then go ahead to straighten up the living room. I put everything where it's supposed to be so that it's easier to clean as I go. So before anything, I start prepping the water to wipe down the surfaces. I put in some Jik, some Vim powder, some disinfectant, some Dettol, If you watched my living room tour video, you know that I want to change the side tables. I am going to put a marble contact paper on top, paint the rest of the body white, change the handles, and also remove the bottom door so that it can be open, and then I can put a basket in there. So I have two of the side tables, so I clean it the same as I did the other one. So this is our son's table and chair. This is where he feeds from. This is where he does his homework. And I really don't like this setup, and I'm planning to change it soon. The last thing I do in cleaning my couch is I spray the Astonish fabric refresher on the couch and then wipe it down so that the couch can soak all the goodness and it smells so good. Now that the couch is clean and dry, I put back the throw blankets and the pillows. I also spray the Astonish fabric refresher on the throw blankets. So for this couch I also do the same thing, vacuum and then wipe it down with the Astonish fabric refresher. And I do the same thing to the poof or the toy storage. I also wipe down the laptop with the same antibacterial wipes that I use to wipe down the TV and the soundbar. Now it's time to vacuum the floors. I switch out the nozzles from the one that I use on the couches to the one that I'm going to use for the floor. also going to clean behind the couch, wipe the back of the couch down, and also vacuum the floor and mop it. So that is how I clean my living room, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like, comment down below on what you think about it, and please subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.